The iPhone 13 Pro boasts a sophisticated triple-lens camera system designed to deliver exceptional photo and video quality. However, physical damage, moisture exposure, or internal hardware failure can impair its performance, especially the main wide-angle camera, which is responsible for most everyday shots. Replacing the main camera module is a delicate process that requires precision, proper tools, and a static-safe workspace. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to safely remove and replace the main camera on the iPhone 13 Pro, restoring full functionality and image clarity to your device. Start by removing the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the device near the charging port. Using a heat gun or heating pad, gently warm the edges of the display to soften the adhesive. Once heated, carefully insert a plastic pry tool or suction device to separate the display from the frame. You can start from the side or at the bottom edge and working your way around. Take your time, as the display is secured with strong adhesive and is connected by delicate flex cables. Slowly lift the display from the left side, like opening a book, and secure it with a clamp or hold it carefully to avoid stressing the cables. Next, use a Tri-point screwdriver to remove the metal bracket covering the battery and display connectors, then disconnect the battery to ensure safe disassembly. Proceed to disconnect the display and front sensor flex cables to fully separate the screen. With the display set aside, locate the rear camera shield near the top portion of the logic board and remove the screws securing it. Gently lift the metal bracket covering the rear camera area to reveal the camera module connectors underneath. Using a plastic spudger or a nylon pry tool, carefully disconnect each of the flex cables connected to the logic board. It's important to apply even, gentle pressure to avoid tearing the delicate flex ribbons or damaging the connector pins. Once all three cables are safely detached, focus your attention on the main wide-angle camera. Using a plastic spudger, carefully disconnect the three camera flex cables. Note that the main wide-angle camera is typically positioned in the center. Once disconnected, gently lift and remove the main camera unit from its housing. Avoid touching the camera lens to prevent smudges and place the removed unit aside in a safe, static-free area. With the old module out, you are now ready to install the new camera into its designated spot with precision and care. Now, grab your new replacement camera module and position it precisely into the same slot, ensuring the lens is properly seated and not misaligned. Make sure the lens aligns perfectly with the camera opening on the rear housing. This is crucial to avoid future focus or image distortion issues. Press the module gently but firmly into place, ensuring it sits flush and securely within the frame without forcing it. Once the module is seated properly, begin reconnecting the flex cables one by one, making sure each connector clicks into place with gentle pressure. A firm connection is essential to ensure full functionality and prevent intermittent signal loss or camera failure. After all cables are reattached, retrieve the metal camera shield and align it back over the camera assembly. Secure it in place by tightening the original screws using a precision screwdriver. This protective shield not only holds the camera module securely but also provides grounding and shielding against electromagnetic interference. Take a final look to confirm all components are properly seated and nothing is left loose before proceeding to reassemble the rest of the device. Reconnect the display cables, followed by the battery connector, and reinstall the metal bracket to secure everything in place. Carefully align the display back onto the frame and press it down gently but firmly, ensuring a tight seal. Finish by reinstalling the 2 Pentalobe screws near the charging port. Power on the device and test the camera app to confirm all 3 lenses are functioning properly, especially the main wide-angle sensor. Once verified, the iPhone 13 Pro is successfully restored with a new main camera module. And that's how you replace the main camera on an iPhone 13 Pro. With careful handling and the right tools, you can bring your device's photo quality back to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech repair videos. Shout out to Bored Vlogger. See you in the next fix.